Hello, today I'm going to show you about the SOEM. What is SOEM? What are the main objectives of SOEM? And how to register for the SOEM? What are the courses offered by the SOEM? SOEM is a program initiated by the Government of India and designed to achieve the three cardinal principles of education policy via access, equity, and quality. The objective of this effort is to take the best teaching learning resources to all, including the most disadvantaged. SOEM seek a bridge the digital divided for the students who have remained untouched by the digital revolutions and have not been able to join the mainstream of the knowledge economic. This is done through the platform that facilitated the hosting of all courses taught in the classroom from 9th standard till the post graduation, anywhere at any time. All courses are interactive, prepared by the best teachers in the country available, and are free of cost to any learner. More than 1000 chosen faculties and teachers from across the country have been participated in this course. The course hosted on SOEMs are in a four quadrant. First, video lectures are shown. Second, specially prepared reading material that had been downloaded or printed. Third, self-assessment test through the test or quizzes given by the SOEM platform. Fourth, an online discussion forum for clearing the doubt. These steps have taken to enrich the learning experience by using audio, video, and multimedia. In order to ensure the best quality content is produced and delivered, 9 national coordinators have been appointed. Courses delivered through the SOEMs are available free of cost to the learners. However, learner wanting SOEM certificate should register for the final exam that comes at a fee and attended in person at the designated center in a specific date. Eligibility of the certificate will be announced on the course page, and learner will get the certificate only if the criteria match. University, college approving the credit transfer of these courses can be used the marks or certificate to obtain in these courses for the same. How to register? Very simple. As you can see, on the SOEM website platform, there is a tab known as named as sign in or register. You have to click it. If you have a Google account, you can easily register yourself for the SOEM. Just by clicking Google, you will able to register yourself in a SOEM. Or if you are not able to have a Google account, you have to make it sign up. Here you have to enter your username, new password, and your email address. Valid email address should be entered into this because verification code will be sent on this email address. Once that code has been entered to this page, and if you click the create button, then your account in a SOEM will be generated. But if you have a Google account, you do not need to go for the sign up. You just have to click Google. and then a pop-up window will appear in front of you where your signing authorities from the Google has to be allowed. After that, you will reach to this page. After that, how to search the courses. On the right hand side top, you will see the 4 tabs. About the SOEM, all the information is given. All courses, all the information of courses will be there. National coordinators and the local chapters. When you click all the courses, it will load all the available courses of on the SOEM, and you can see the upcoming enrollment courses. These courses are upcoming courses. You can see, for example, this agriculture policy offered by the IGNOU. It's a 15-week course, start from 1/9/2020. And similar way, in some of ways, you will find the enrollment ends at the particular date. Like this, it will be going to end on 20th October 2020. In this tab, you will find all the available courses in alphabetical order. But if you are interested in a particular course, you have to select that course or duration of course or credit or any other filter they are given. For example, if I select NPTEL courses, only NPTEL courses which are available for the upcoming enrollment will appear on the screen. Like this, basic course on biomedical research cycle. Okay, and all the information will appear. I'll just show you one of the course, how to register for the course. Right now I have selected all, okay, and in this all you will see all the courses available. Here you can see that as introduction video is there, where the professor he himself will introduce the course and what are the terms and conditions. Okay, course layout, here you will find which topic he will cover in this course. If these topics are interested to you, then you are easily able to decide which courses you wanted to register. Similar way, duration, start of the course, end date of the course, and the exam date. If you wanted to appear for the exam, it's not compulsory that you need to appear for the exam, but if you wanted to have a certificate from SOEM, you can register yourself for the exam. Enrollment ends and the category. For example, this is category for the school course, and you will find that some of the team members profiles which are going to teach you in this course. Okay, after reaching this window, you have to set join. Once you set join, you will reach to particularly this window. Here you have to enter your name, email ID. These are taken from directly from my Google accounts. Since my Google, I have used my Google account to log in into the SOEM. After that, you can enter your age belongingness, which age group you belongs, which country you belongs, what are the profession. If you are student, write it simply student. Okay, which is the highest qualification you are pursuing, and what are the graduations date, or if you are not graduated, like this undergraduated, what are the 12th passing date. Okay, now this is what we have to. If my college has been registered for the local chapter, okay, then I have to say yes, and then here I can search my local chapter, that is my college. Right now GM is not registered for the local chapter, so we said no. Okay, state Maharashtra, Bhiwandi, or college name, area, department, and then you have to take these two terms that I agree with SOEM and I will follow the honor code, and you can join by just clicking the join course. Okay, after this, where to find the material and courses? Very simple. In the main home page where I have shown you the all courses, you will find that my name, email ID then will be shown on the right hand side. You have to click this and select my courses. In my courses you will find your own courses in which you are registered. Okay, so these are the courses in which I have registered or I have done something. Okay, after that you will find that some complete tab also there. In a complete tab you will find which courses are being completed by me through this, and these are going to, that means even after completing the courses I can access my work plus the material given by the faculty. For example, if I open this, here are all the detailed reading materials and videos are available even after completing the course. Okay, in an ongoing course, for example, if I click this course to go to the course, in a course window you will find, okay, what are your writing material. Here for example, first I have clicked course outline. In course outline I have clicked first item. In first item you will find that there are multiple items. You can click one item and that will appear on the screen. Okay, and here when you click this tab, YouTube tab, the audio will start and the video will start, and you can have the access material. If you wanted to ask the question to the speaker, you can easily click on the ask button and you can ask the question. Okay, and post that question. Similar way, if you wanted to keep watching and asking the question, these are given very much easy way to do such a thing. In a notes tab also you will find the complete notes of I have shown you on the desktop view. Okay, but the same will achieve when you are on a mobile phone. For the mobile phone you have to go on the app menu, Google Play. In Google Play app menu you have to simply write SOEM app. This app you can install in your mobile and access the similar features which I have shown you in a desktop view on the mobile itself. Here also you can enter yourself or register yourself through the Google account. Thank you. These are all the things about the SOEM. Thank you very much.